Jealous versus Court of Appeals (GR number L16439, July 20, 1961). Tita became pregnant sometime in 1950 before she and Oscar were legally married. As advised by her aunt, and to conceal it from her parents, she decided to have it aborted by jealous. After her marriage with the plaintiff, she again became pregnant, as she was then employed in the Commission on Elections and her pregnancy proved to be inconvenient. She had herself aborted again by the defendant in 1953. Less than 2 years later, she again became pregnant. On February 21, 1955, accompanied by her sister Purificación and the latter's daughter Lucida, at Jalos Clinic at Corriado and P. Gomez Street. Oscar, at this time, was in the province of Cagayan campaigning for his election to the provincial board. He doesn't have any idea nor given his consent on the abortion. Issue: whether the husband of a woman who voluntarily procured her abortion could recover damages from the physician who caused the same. The Supreme Court believed that the minimum award fixed at 3,000 for the death of a person does not cover cases of an unborn fetus that is not endowed with personality which trial court and court of appeals predicated. Also, both trial court and CA wasn't able to find any basis for an award of moral damages evidently because Oscar's indifference to the previous abortions of Tita clearly indicates he was unconcerned with the frustration of his parental affections. Hence, petition is dismissed.